We'll go down here and then we'll, instead of doing the full tornado, where you sort of climb halfway up, and if you look at the top of the crest on your left hand side, there's a tree and there's a left hand thing that brings you out the bottom of the downhills.
Right.
So we'll go down there.
I've seen you do that.
Well, we're going up the blue to the top of the Bushel trail.
Yeah.
I've never done it.
Right, get back. To the back. Right, keep your seat down this time.
Yeah.
Got any issues with that bike, Mark?
At the moment, the seat keeps popping up. So you have to tighten up the cable. I went back nearly half going down there and the seat came up. Couldn't get the bugger down. No, it's not. Like when I did the chumps earlier, it came up. That's when I was right behind Mark then. Yeah, it's not a bad bike otherwise. I've had it for about a year. It's had a new chain, had a new cassette and that. They wear out quick.
Yeah, I've got an All Mountain 4. My bike.
Oh yeah.
Plan is to go down here and then peel off before you go all the way up.
That's quite an old bike, isn't it?
Hey?
That's quite an old bike.
Yeah, it's 2023.
Going for a line, I'm going to go back and get a...
What's that one? Is that 180?
Yeah, 180, yeah.
One foot back.
Yeah. Right then, I thought I might need it being a crap rider. Right, here we go. Woohoo! Is that seat going to come up? No. Ready?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, where are we going? Which way?
Go where you want.
Right, go on then. You're right. Hey, I'll follow you. Look at that. Our leader. He's got a flat.
bottom, Aaron, turn left onto Fire Road.
Right.
Yeah, fuck it out.
Yeah, struggling with cramp.
I did last time. That's what brought this thing.
Put a bit of power down. That's all. Put the power down and it was not good because obviously when you go jump, alright.
Yep.
Yeah, not bad either.
Yeah.
Oh, that's prime. Not worse. Yeah, could be good.
There we go.
So going straight up or
Yeah.
to the right? Straight up.
We can go whichever. To go right, it's a bit more peak.
Right. Doobie 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 doo. Doobie 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 doo. 1, 2, 3. Is there 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, other than me. I'll be Timmy the dog. Woof woof.
Just a clue or a secret message in the famous fire around. Whenever there's a mystery to be solved, up in the ruined castle, down its waterfall, we are the famous five. Julian, Dick and Anne, George and Timmy the dog. We are the famous five. We're coming back to you whenever there's time, time after time. Whenever I went behind closed doors, strange noises in the cellar or the sound of creaking doors, we never let a mystery pass us by. Just leave a clue and leave the rest to the famous five. We are the famous five. Julian, Dick and Anne, George and Timmy the dog. We are the famous five. We're coming back to you whenever there's time.
Cheers. Till next time. What, we won't wait for 5,000 next time.
That's on the 3,000, yeah. Everybody want a sticker? 5,000 by next year. You don't want to stick it on your helmet, stick it next time.
Top of the hill.
Yeah.